I'm out here in the garden and looking at all these beautiful kale flowers. And wait, what's that?
Oh, Mr. LaVassar!
Hi, Farmer Cary.
Hi, I'm out here in the kale flowers looking at all the amazing bees and pollinators there are and thinking about how many flowers all of you would have eaten if you were here. We miss you so much. I'm going to eat a flower for you.
Hi, Cougars. Really glad to see you here at this assembly today. It's amazing. We're doing online assembly of all things. I'm out in the same patch here where I found Farmer Cary, looking at all these beautiful kale flowers. I think I might eat some. I'm gonna eat some right now. Really good. That was really good. What I wanted to mention is we have a YouTube channel so you can see all kinds of videos about how to grow things, how to plant things. You know, if you're not in the garden science class, those kids have been seeing them, but if you're not, you can still see them all at South Woodby School Farms YouTube channel. Check it out, it's really great. Well, I'm glad to see everybody. It's been a great assembly so far. I'm looking forward to the rest. Bye.
School farmers and farm team, we miss you. Have fun in your gardens. Bye.
Keep growing those plants, and remember, if you need starts, let us know. Get them growing in your yard so you can eat them later on in the summer.
That's right, and thanks for the farm team that grew all the flowers. They're blooming now, and we've planted almost all of them. Thank you so much.
Bye.